Basque Bank CD Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a safe, reliable way to grow your savings in 2025, certificates of deposit, or CD, remain one of the most stable options. Among the growing number of online banks offering high-yield CDs, Basque Bank has caught the attention of savers seeking attractive rates combined with a straightforward online banking experience. But is the Basque Bank CD truly worth your money, or should you leave it for another option? In this review, we'll break down the features, benefits, potential drawbacks, and real-world examples to help you make an informed decision. Most people evaluate CDs purely based on interest rates, but there's more to consider. Terms, flexibility, penalties, and ease of use all play crucial roles in your overall experience. Overlooking these can turn what looks like a good deal into a frustrating experience. We'll cover all of these factors, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether the Basque Bank CD aligns with your financial goals. What is a Basque Bank CD? A Basque Bank CD is an interest-bearing deposit account offered by Basque Bank, a digital bank specializing in high-yield savings solutions. Unlike traditional savings accounts, a CD locks your funds for a predetermined period, known as the term, in exchange for a fixed interest rate. This allows you to earn more interest than a typical savings account, while keeping your principal safe. Basque Bank CDs are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, meaning your money is protected even if the bank experiences financial difficulties. They are designed to be fully digital, allowing you to open, manage, and track your CD entirely online, which is convenient in today's mobile-first banking environment. Key features. 1. Competitive fixed rates. Basque Bank offers rates that are generally higher than the national average, making it attractive for savers seeking stable returns. 2. Term options. Terms typically range from 6 months to 5 years, allowing you to choose the duration that fits your financial plan. 3. FDIC insurance. Deposits are insured up to $250,000, providing security for your principal. 4. Digital first experience. Full online account management through the bank's website and app. 5. Early withdrawal options. While early withdrawal penalties exist, there are structured options if you need access to your funds. How it works. When you open a Basque Bank CD, you select the term and deposit amount. For example, you might choose a 12-month CD with a deposit of $10,000. From the moment your CD is funded, your principal earns interest at a fixed annual percentage yield APY for the entire term. Interest is typically compounded daily and credited monthly, meaning your earnings accumulate steadily over time. At the end of the term, your CD matures, and you can either withdraw the funds, reinvest in a new CD, or roll it into a high-yield savings account. Pros. What makes Basque Bank CDs attractive? 1. Higher than average rates. In 2025, national average CD rates remain relatively low due to ongoing market conditions. Basque Bank consistently offers competitive APYs that can outperform many traditional banks. This allows your money to grow faster, while still benefiting from the safety of a fixed interest rate. 2. Flexible term options. Whether you're saving for a short-term goal like a vacation or a long-term objective like a down payment on a house, Basque Bank offers multiple term lengths to fit your needs. Shorter terms provide liquidity, while longer terms maximize interest accumulation. 3. FDIC insurance for safety. One of the main advantages of CDs is the security they offer. Basque Bank CDs are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation up to $250,000, so your principal is fully protected against bank failure. 4. Digital management and convenience. The fully online setup makes it easy to open and manage CDs without visiting a branch. You can monitor your CD, track interest accrual, and set up notifications for maturity dates through the app or website. 5. Predictable fixed returns. Unlike variable interest accounts, the APY on a Basque Bank CD is fixed for the term of the deposit. This provides certainty in an otherwise fluctuating interest rate environment, making financial planning simpler and more predictable. Cons. What to watch out for. 1. Early withdrawal penalties. If you need to access your funds before the CD matures, you will likely face an early withdrawal penalty. This can reduce or even eliminate interest earned, depending on the term length. For example, Withdrawing from a 3-year CD early might cost you several months' worth of interest. *** 2. Limited liquidity ***. While CDs offer higher rates, your money is locked in for the term length. If unexpected expenses arise, you may not have immediate access without penalties. This makes CDs less ideal for emergency savings. *** 3. Rates are fixed. ***. Although fixed rates provide stability, they also mean you won't benefit if market interest rates rise significantly after you lock in your CD. In some cases, new CDs with higher rates may become available before your term ends. ** 4. Online-only experience. ** For some consumers who prefer in-person banking, the digital-only nature of Basque Bank may feel limiting. All account management and support are conducted online or over the phone. ### Real-world example. Suppose you deposit $20,000 in a 24-month Basque Bank CD at an APY of 5.00%. Your interest compounds daily and is credited monthly. Over 2 years, you would earn approximately $2,050 in interest without making any additional deposits. Compare that to a traditional savings account earning just 0.50% APY. The same $20,000 would generate only around $200 in interest over the same period. This illustrates the power of higher yield CDs for medium-term savings goals. ### Who should consider a Basque Bank CD? Savers seeking higher interest rates than traditional banks or credit unions. Individuals with a specific financial goal and a defined timeline. Risk-averse investors who value principal protection over high-risk returns. Those comfortable managing accounts digitally and leveraging online tools for monitoring. ### Who might want to look elsewhere. People who need immediate access to funds or require high liquidity. Investors seeking variable rates that could rise over time. Individuals who prefer in-person banking interactions or support. ### The surprising truth about CDs. Many people assume that all CDs are essentially the same, but the differences in rates, terms, and features can have a big impact on your savings growth. In today's market, where interest rates fluctuate and online banks can offer more competitive rates than traditional institutions, choosing the right CD provider can mean the difference between earning minimal interest and significantly growing your funds. Another overlooked aspect is planning for maturity. Some savers forget to decide in advance whether they want to reinvest, withdraw, or transfer funds upon maturity. Basque Bank allows you to set up automatic reinvestment or alerts, ensuring you don't lose out on potential earnings. ### Fees and costs. Basque Bank CDs generally carry no monthly maintenance fees. The primary cost to be aware of is early withdrawal penalties, which vary depending on the CD term. For example, 6-month CD, penalty typically equals 3 months interest. 12-month CD, penalty typically equals 6 months interest. Longer-term CDs, penalties scaled accordingly, often 12 months interest for 5-year CDs. There are no setup fees or hidden charges, which makes Basque Bank CDs relatively straightforward and transparent compared to other financial products. ### Security. Basque Bank is FDIC insured, which guarantees up to $250,000 per depositor. Additionally, the bank employs encryption, secure login protocols, and fraud monitoring to protect your